So NIW lets you skip the employer and the PERM process entirely. But how does USCIS actually decide who gets approved? It all comes down to one legal test, 3 parts. Let's break it down. This comes from a 2016 case called Matter of Dhanasar. Before that, the standard was vague and honestly kind of confusing. Dhanasar made it clearer, 3 specific things you have to prove. Every single NIW case today in 2026 is judged against these same 3 prongs. Prong 1. Your work has to have substantial merit and national importance. Substantial merit just means your work is genuinely valuable in research, healthcare, business, tech, whatever your field is. National importance is the bigger ask. Your work has to matter beyond just your company, beyond your city. It needs to connect to something the country actually cares about. And here's something people get wrong. Your work doesn't have to impact the entire country geographically. Even something local can count as long as it solves a problem that matters nationally or could be a model for other places. What's winning right now? Things like AI, cybersecurity, clean energy, healthcare access, semiconductor work. What doesn't work? Saying I'm a good software engineer at a tech company. That's a job description, not an endeavor. Prong 2. Are you actually positioned to pull this off? This is about you specifically, your degree, your experience, your track record. USCIS wants to see you've actually done relevant work before, published research, patents, a real plan with real milestones. Not just I have a good idea, they want proof you can execute it. Prong 3, and this is honestly the one that trips people up the most. Even if your work matters and even if you are qualified, does it actually benefit the US to let you skip the employer and the PERM process? This one's a balancing test. If you're an entrepreneur or your work doesn't fit neatly into a normal job, that actually works in your favor. It'd be impractical to find one employer to sponsor you anyway. If your work is time sensitive, something that can't wait a year for labor certification, that helps too. This is also where the strongest cases bring in something extra. Letters of support from government agencies, national labs, or public health offices, those carry real weight here. So that's the whole test. Does your work matter? Are you the right person to do it? And does the country benefit from you not being tied to one employer? All 3 have to be true. Miss one, and the petition doesn't work no matter how strong the other 2 are. If you are thinking through whether your work fits this test, that's exactly the kind of question worth getting a real answer to. Send us a message. We are happy to help you figure it out.